Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cluttered countertops and disorganized coffee preparation? The coffee tamping station with espresso storage is here to revolutionize your daily brewing routine. With its sleek wood finish and LED lights, this product is not only functional but also a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ability to streamline their espresso preparation and add a touch of elegance to their space. One of the key benefits of this product is its streamlined espresso prep, featuring 5 functional slots that provide easy access to tools, ensuring a clean and efficient setup. The solid wood construction gives it a warm touch and a wear-resistant strength, making it perfect for daily use. The centralized storage solution reduces clutter and keeps your work area clean, saving you time and enhancing the overall coffee ritual experience. The efficient workflow design also ensures a quick start and smooth workflow, with designated tool spots for easy reach, simplifying prep and enhancing efficiency in busy coffee-making environments. In real-life use, this product shines, providing a convenient and organized way to prepare your espresso. The wood grain texture and natural finish add a cozy atmosphere to your kitchen, making it a must-have for spaces styled with rustic decor elements. Compared to other products on the market, the coffee tamping station with espresso storage stands out for its thoughtful design and attention to detail, making it a valuable investment for any coffee lover. With its unique blend of form and function, this product is sure to elevate your coffee game and provide a superior brewing experience. So why not give it a try and discover the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.